Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable instant coverage verification with MetLife Online. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable instant coverage verification with MetLife Online, start by visiting the official MetLife website. Once on the home page, locate the login section, usually found in the upper right corner. Enter your username and password in the respective fields. Click the login button to access your account. If you do not have an account, select the option to register for online access. Follow the prompts to create a new account, providing the required personal information. Once logged in, navigate to the Benefits or Coverage tab in the main menu. Look for a section labeled Coverage Verification or Instant Coverage Verification. Click on this section to access the coverage verification options. Read through the instructions provided on the page to ensure you understand the process. You may need to enter specific information about your policy or the insured individual. Ensure that all required fields are filled out accurately. After completing the necessary information, click on the Verify Coverage button. Wait for the system to process your request. Once complete, review the verification results provided on the screen. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Frequently Asked Questions section for assistance. For further support, consider contacting MetLife customer service via phone or email if needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.